As a first-of-its-kind community-owned issuance platform built on Ethereum, Rarible is one of the leading NFT marketplaces in the blockchain industry. Let's take a look. Oh, but real quick, if you want a chance of winning a $20 trading bonus, like, follow, and share this video. Then leave an interesting comment with your Phemex UID included. I'll choose the top 3 comments to send bonuses. NFTs have been dismissed as a fad throughout their history, but have nonetheless proved their staying power over the years. And while this new technology may still be subject to bubbles, NFTs also give creators access to global markets in a way that's never been possible before. If you've ever looked into NFTs, you likely know about Rarible. At its core, Rarible is a decentralized NFT marketplace and minting platform that aims to bridge the gap between digital artists and their audiences, enabling them to create and sell their tokenized artworks. It also allows trading without intermediaries in a secure and verifiable way. Artwork created on the platform can be seen on Rarible's art gallery, which is hosted on the decentralized virtual world. Here, artists can introduce all kinds of twists to their content and artwork to highlight their unique brand. The platform's users can also leverage smart contracts to continue making profits through royalties whenever their NFT changes ownership in the future. Rarible allows digital artists and creators to issue ERC-721 and ERC-1155 NFTs to represent ownership of digital artwork, bringing the features of a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, and merging it with NFT capabilities on a single platform. In a fully decentralized autonomous organization, users are the ones in charge of all the network's governance decisions. The team behind it is working toward making Rarible a true DAO, and this is where its native Rarible coin comes into the picture. Users are required to own Ethereum tokens to leverage the Rarible platform. They also need to link their wallets to connect with its minting service, similar to platforms like OpenSea or Mintable. Artists can create all kinds of NFTs without any coding skills, enabling anyone to set up an account on Rarible to mint, buy, and sell on the platform. Powering this community-run platform model is the Rarible coin, RARI, which plays a crucial role in maintaining the platform's systems and is often heralded as the first governance token in the NFT space. Some of its primary functions include giving holders the power to submit and vote on proposals that impact the marketplace, moderate creators, and curate featured artwork. It is also used to incentivize NFT traders within Rarible, which means users can earn RARI tokens by purchasing or selling on the platform via a process called marketplace liquidity mining. Rarible distributes 75,000 RARI tokens to its users every Sunday. This distribution mechanism is scheduled for the first 4 years of the exchange, and sellers and buyers distribute the amount evenly between them. RARI's total supply is kept at 25 million tokens, of which 10% is kept for airdrops, 30% is reserved for investors and Rarible team members, and 60% is kept aside for MLM. Since decentralized autonomous organizations aim to establish user-driven control over network decisions, RARI acts as a governance token that will help shape the platform's future in the NFT arena. Rarible has a lot going for it. For example, a seamless interface to create unique NFTs, a quick and easy process to mint collectibles and artwork, and a straightforward and interactive UI, which enables even non-tech-savvy users and artists to effectively produce and distribute their work. Furthermore, the marketplace provides access to an extensive customer base with many global users. In Rarible, users have the ability to conduct auctions and automate royalty payments using smart contracts, and it contains an autonomous governance model. Lastly, Rarible's collectibles are secured on the blockchain, and its users undergo a series of background checks to ensure their legitimacy, including verifying and linking Twitter accounts of users before listing. Rarible has shown consistent growth in the NFT sector, performing better than its competitors on several fronts. Its goal of becoming a truly decentralized autonomous organization with full community governance has broadened its appeal. But NFT ownership is a little more complicated than you'd expect. The NFT sector has remained largely detached from current regulatory systems, and understanding the legal pitfalls of digital ownership is necessary to tap into the technology's full potential. Competition in the sector is also fierce, with other platforms like OpenSea raising millions in funding from prominent names like Andreessen Horowitz and Naval Ravikant. Furthermore, earlier this year, SuperRare, an invite-only NFT platform, raised $9 million in a Series A funding round. So to keep up with the market and address problems from the Ethereum network's congestion and the environmental impact of NFTs, Rarible is looking into more energy-efficient solutions, including officially partnering with the creator of the NBA Top Shot digital collectibles, Dapper Labs, to bring their NFT marketplace to its Flow blockchain, and broader plans to build a multi-chain strategy. Overall, Rarible is an ambitious project that hopes to unravel the intellectual property market's concerns, combat malicious actors in the space, reduce unnerving licensing paperwork, and meet various other challenges that plague the market today. Okay, so remember, if you want to get that $20 trading bonus, like, follow, share, and give a good comment below along with your Phemex UID, and I'll pick the top 3 to send that bonus to. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. If you don't have a Phemex account yet, just click on the link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen. Create a Phemex account and you'll get a 7-day free premium membership trial and other trading bonuses. To learn more about Phemex and cryptocurrencies, watch the videos on the box on the left. And if you're new to the crypto world, have a look at the videos on the right for some of Phemex's user tutorials.